Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will give you some tips and tricks to help you boost your AutoCAD speed. And for today's video, our topic is about page setup and batch plot command. Okay, let's start. As you can see in the monitor, in AutoCAD we are in the paper space. In AutoCAD we have model space, which is we can draw, and the paper space. By the way, we have a different and standard paper size. We have A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. We are using A1 size. 841 by 594, which is A1. So now we will set our page setup using plot command. Just plot command, enter, and this pop-up window. We have to set first this printer. This drawing, we will print it as PDF file. And paper size is A3. You can choose any size, but for now we will use A3 size. So remember, the paper size that we use in AutoCAD is A1, and we are using the A3 for output PDF file. So we have to scale this size. So our unit should be 2 because the paper size is reduced. Layout, the layout is whatever you set in the page setup. This is fixed. Whatever you set here, it will apply in the layout. And then the display, when you say display, you have to center it. And whatever you display that show in the monitor, it will be flat. And the window, you can, this is just a sample only. This is the window. This is the output. When you make that window, look for the cursor. This will be platted. So since this is portrait, we will make it landscape. So as you can see, it's not fit. The drawing is not fit in the paper size. So we have to center the plot and fit the paper, apply to layout, then preview. But we are not using window because this is not a scale. Mostly we are using layout, which one that I will discuss. I just show it to you the difference of this. To continue, plot object line weights, which is the line weight, the width of the line, transparency, and the plot style table. This plot, I will discuss this later before the end of this video, but for now let's focus on this. If you already set these settings, all you have to do is just apply to layout, cancel, and then we will make command preview, PRE. So as you can see, it's not in the center. There's something, this one. It's not fit in the paper, so we make it 2 because our paper size is A1 and we will make it in A3. So we have to scale the unit. Okay. No need to save, just don't mind this one. Apply to layout. After we make it 2 to scale the unit, apply to layout, cancel. And then this is A3 size, so it match with our paper size. You can just move it, and then when we preview command again, so now it's fixed, it's fit. At first we have to set that one, so after we finish setting, to do the batch plot command, we need to have a more layout because it's a batch plot, it's not only one. To do that, it's just like an Excel. Copy. For example, just a tree only. Or to show you the difference, we have to make a sample drawing here. Just MB command to show what we do in a model space, which is this one. This is showing only the output to show you the difference of this. For example, this, or we will make it a scale. If you want your drawing to be scaled, actually this is another topic, but just command zoom. All we have to do is here. You can modify here in the, as you can see here, look at the cursor. This is 1:1. This is just a sample, and then we go to next layout, same MB command. We'll just show this, or we will make it student. Okay. Since this is just a sample, no need to scale. Just command MB and then zoom in. Okay. In every layout, we have to set the default. In the page setup, you can just command page, enter. For example, general layout. All in settings is a Rog. The page layout name is Rog, so it's okay. Set current, close. Now we go to the batch plot command. Just command batch plot. In this pop-up window, this is a model. This is the tree layout space that we made. So no need this model, we can remove this. And page setup, you can modify this one, but we are using the default, the one that we made, Rog. You can make also, you can use this, but it will be, the output will be different. It depends on the settings. Or we can make default. and PDF. And this drawing will be printed in PDF and then publish. You can save it in desktop. Just file name, proj, select, close. Okay. Now let's go to the output. Desktop, which is Raj, and here's the output. So you don't have to print it one by one by layout. You can print it in one command by batch. Okay, like what I've said before, I will discuss it to you about the pen assignment. In this pen assignment, this is not the default in AutoCAD. This is already in the file. You can manipulate, you can explore, you can change, the color. Just click this one, and then you can change the color. For example, this red, whatever you made here, you can use object color. This red, we can make it yellow. You can explore. Green, the line weight, you can line weight by object, whatever we draw in a model space. I'll show you one, what we will use in drawing. Okay, let's save it. For example, this blue, as you can see here. This blue, the default, use object color. Then we will make it magenta. Save and close. Cancel. Preview. The output is magenta because we use the pen assignment. Sensya na humina boses ko kasi may natutulog sa kabila. We use the pen assignment because in the settings, the color blue is magenta, so you can explore it. And one more thing, when you make this pen assignment in your computer and you use to another computer, you can find this flat style pen assignment that we make here. So all you have to do is to just copy. That's why it's better to copy this pen assignment if you are printing using other computer. The QNDN, or making, for example, you want to make a new, just save as, and then the file name that you want, ini, and then you can explore the color, the line weight, and then save. Okay, that's it for this